መርከብ እንከራያለን
ወይ ደላስ አባቴ
ሃይ
እሺ
ማለት
አረ ትምህርት ቤት ሄደና ረሳው ትምህርቱ
ታሟል
ካልሆነ ደግሞ
አላመመ
ስሚ መሪ
ወይ
ወይም ደግሞ ማክሰኞ ከቀን በኋላ ስመልስ ከትምህርት ማለት ነው መርከብ ተከራይተን የዋና ልብስ ገዝተን ምናምን እንወጣለን።
ሃይ
እኔ ዋና አልችልም
አትገብተም ማስመጥ ነው አንተ ሞልተናል አይደል? ከቅደም ተከተል አድርገህ ፓስፖርት ናሳይን በሉ።
Let me ask ChatGPT 1 second, guys.
Wait a moment.
ChatGPT.
According to the latest Henley Passport Index rankings, Singapore holds the top spot as
We
the
know
most
that.
powerful passport in the world, giving visa-free access to the highest number of destinations. Right behind it, Japan, South Korea, and the United Arab Emirates tie for second place. Then you have a large group of European countries, including Sweden, Belgium, Denmark, and many others, sharing the third tier. Would you like to know about any specific passports ranking, or perhaps more about how these rankings are determined?
No, I need like top 10.
No, wait.
Yeah,
Hi, Gemini.
can you tell me top 10? Yeah.
Sure, I can give you the entire.
Gemini. And Deka. Gemini. He's a Mariam Gemini. Can you speak to me in Amharic?